Forest Road is a park created on the top of Gyeongui Line and the airport railroad in the metropolitan area. The Gyeongui Line was constructed as a double track about 10 to 20 meters below the ground, and the airport railroad was constructed about 30 to 40 meters below the ground to prepare a park site. It consisted of a park section from Hongjecheon to Yongsan Cultural Sports Center and the historical section of Gyeongui Line train and airport railroad. The section of Yeonnam-dong near Hongik University Station resembles Central Park in Manhattan, New York, and is nicknamed Yeontral Park.